Hello friends, welcome to my channel Earning in Growth. Today's video we are going to learn how we can create an account on the ChatGPT and then how you can use the ChatGPT. Actually ChatGPT for what? Why this ChatGPT is better than Google. So anything you want to search, it will answer you as a human without any giving you articles. It will give you the proper answer whatever question that you have, and then you can give any question to ChatGPT. It will give you the proper answer. If you are unhappy, you can regenerate your answer. So that is the best platform for any developer, creator, content creator or software engineer. All everything or mostly this one is helpful for the freelancing work people. So we will learn everything in this video. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's begin to our topic. Friends, so first of all you need to open the Google and then type there ChatGPT. So for example, I just type here ChatGPT, and then you can see on the top official link, first official link OpenAI.com. So we click that one. Then here is new interface that try ChatGPT. So we click that try ChatGPT. Then here you can see the two options that login and sign up. If you haven't created an account on the ChatGPT, you click the sign up. If you have already account on the ChatGPT, you just log in. So we click the sign up because we haven't created. So we click the sign up. Then here you can type directly your email or continue with the Google. So I am going to continue with my Google account. So I just click the Google and then choose your Google account. Then type your phone number. So I'm currently in the Malaysia. I just type here my number and then send code via SMS. So I just click the send code, then I get the code. So I already verify. Now you can see this one is the main dashboard of the ChatGPT. We just click the next, then click next, then click done. So here you can see the example, capabilities and limitations, and then here you can ask your question whatever in your mind. Anything you want to search, it will answer you as a human, same like human, not the same like Google. If you search anything in the Google, for example, I give you the demonstration. I search here top 10 tourist countries in the world. I just copy so I can use also in the ChatGPT. So this one is the Google answer. You can see here top 10 most, and then if we ask the same question to ChatGPT, then click enter, you can see this one give you the proper answer and then with the proper explanation. So if you also unhappy to this answer, you can regenerate your response. So for example, I just regenerate, I don't like this answer, so I just regenerate. So he will give you the different answer, and then you can see the typing, it looks like real human. And then even you ask any question that you have in your mind, you want to calculate, you want to do a script for your videos, you can type anything. For example, I just type here how to create a video for YouTube. For example, I just give this question. Now you can see creating a video for YouTube involves several steps. So he will give you the proper steps that how you can create the YouTube video. Like this, you can take the lot of things here in the ChatGPT, and then you can also create the video, and then you can copy this answer to make your video, or you can use this script to use in your videos, or you can create a video by helping this ChatGPT. There are many things that you can ask this ChatGPT. It will give you the proper answer. If you're unhappy the answer, you can regenerate, and then they will give you the different kind of the script that you can use, or you can happy to that answer. So that is the very easy OpenAI engine that helps you anything you want. It's help you same like a human. For example, I just stop generating, and then I just for example I type here calculation 34 multiply 348 multiply 7, then I ask the answer. See, 2436. If you unhappy, you regenerate the answer, they will give you the different kind of answer. So that is the very simple. If you want a script for your video, I want a script for take video, so I ask the script for my take video. Then you can see they give you the proper answer. So that is very useful for everyone that who content creator. So this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, and then please subscribe our channel, and then continue watching, and then support my channel. So see you in the next video. Until we create another video from this AI generated ChatGPT, then we will see how in the next video how we can create the YouTube video, how we can take the script from here and then post in our video, or we can take that script and then create a video from the script, and then create the same script to turn into the voice, or we use our own voice. That is many things that we can use. So we will see in the next video. So hope you like it.